Yeah, the percentage of grey is quite high.
Oh, I think I'm completely grey. Wow.
Yeah, the line is quite strong.
It's very strong.
The thing is, soon you reach this level where the percentage of grey is quite high, the roots will show within a week. But because it's too soon to color it, people, they tend to wait for 4 weeks. But that doesn't mean that the color is not showing till another 4 weeks. Now, there's no other way around it here. We need to lighten the whole thing. So that's what we call it, the grey blending transition.
Okay.
So there's a difference between people who they go from completely dark to grey blending, and from people who they go from mid color to grey blending. When you have completely dark, means we have to go through 3 stages. We have to do a grey blending preparation, where we prepare the whole length. Then we have to go through 3 months of transitional color. Then we go toward the grey blending.
Okay.
The reason why, when I bleach this whole thing, your hair will look one color. Okay? So from one color, regardless what's the end result, I cannot get you right away to a roots that's barely covered.
Okay.
You're gonna tell me it doesn't blend.
Right.
So what we do, we go from a completely one solid color, lighter one, to a transition area where we start coloring the new virgin roots with something softer than the color we landed on.
Yeah.
Then after 3 months, we start reducing the amount of gray coverage. Step 1 is today. Step 2 is the 3 months of roots coloring.
I won't be here though.
I will give you the details, what you need to touch it up. So I will give you the formula. You touch it up with a certain formula for 3 months.
Okay.
Preferably do it every 6 weeks. Then after that, we adjust the formula to cover the gray less. And that's where you enter the gray blending. Then you stick to it for a few months or a few years to come.
Okay.
Okay. Now, today, before we started this conversation, I told you we're going to do a test to see the potentials of your hair. And this is the test that we landed on. I was hoping for slightly lighter result, but it's okay. It's a good start. I still have a little bit of orange on the top, which is okay because the hair on the top is healthier, which means I can push it a little bit more lighter when I do the full change.
Okay.
The ends, they have a bit of effect on the very ends. We're going to cut them. The treatment when it comes after bleach will help the color to go slightly lighter before we start doing our finishing color.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I showed you a video of a lady this lady has almost your hair situation. It's quite fine hair like yours. It's fragile. Your percentage of gray is even stronger than what she has. So if we can land on something like this, would be great if we can. But this is what we're aiming for today.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna wet the hair, so the effect of the bleach will be on the minimum.
Okay.
We dump the bleach within 10 minutes. I will get 2 people to work on your hair at the same time. And then we treat it to bring the lightness even higher. Then we have a proper canvas to come back with our color. Now, I will color your hair twice today after the treatment.
Okay.
Because 1 round of coloring will not be enough. The orange will still be strong.
Yeah, you do want
We'll wash,
orange.
then I will do it 1 more time.
Okay.
Then I will give you the formula. You take it home, and after 2 weeks, do it 1 more time, but you do it only as a shampoo, like literally for 5-10 minutes.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
For the roots, I will give you a whole new plan. You follow it, and it's easy to move on with it.
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
The only thing that you have to, I would suggest in the future, when you start coloring your roots by yourself with the formula I will give you, it's an option that you start skipping the back.
Okay.
So if let's just do the top and here and the crown, leave the back.
Okay.
In a year's time, you're going to see all the natural hairs coming through, which might be a good way to change if you want to change. Sounds good?
Right. Yes.
All right. Now with the cut, maintaining the same look, most probably,
Yeah, I like front.
you have the perfect forehead for that. You've been going a little bit to the more farther to the back, which is good. But I might go even, we'll see.
Further.
Maybe, because when I cut it slightly shorter,
Yeah.
do you keep it sideways or you keep it forward?
Forward.
Forward.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Like this plan?
Perfect.
Let me give you the breakdown of the price, then we can start.
Thank you.
Yep. Back a little. Yeah, even the back there. The roots are. So you're good. You're everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Lucky me.
We're all doing great. We're all doing great sooner or later. All right, thank you.
Okay.
I feel like since we finished, you didn't stop looking at yourself.
I know, I can't believe it's me.
Yeah. You're like,
Who is
I
this?
feel like you're just constantly looking at yourself. Like,
I've never had light hair.
never.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
I mean, it's shocking if you
It
always
is.
had it dark, and
Always dark.
so I kept it in the beige warm color. I had the chance to give it ashier finishing. How
Okay,
you
I like
how you have a
warmth.
warmth in it.
Yes.
I felt with your skin, this is more healthier color.
Okay.
I mean, the hair responded very well for the bleach. The
Okay.
texture. I mean, I barely cut from the layers this
That's
much.
okay.
I mean, we went
That's
from that dark color to this blonde, and with all that bleach, and I needed to cut almost nothing, and the hair texture feels great.
Yeah.
This is a great sign that we've done the right thing for your hair.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the new formula now. You stick to it on the roots.
Okay.
You might need to tone down the ends 1 time or 2 times. The fact that we left it warm, then doesn't matter if it washes out and become more warmer, because we want it to be warm.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. I love this shorter one on you.
Yeah,
It feels more
thank
fresh
you.
too. Look at the side. How you feel the cut and the texture in
cut's
general?
good.
Yeah.
I mean, I've gone from long hair to short in the matter of 2 weeks. So it's like a new me.
We will go through 2 stages of coloring.
Okay.
I will give you 1 color that you stick to it for 2 rounds. Let's say
Okay.
1 after 6 weeks and 1 after 3 months.
Okay.
Then after that, we're going to change the formula a little bit to start introducing less gray coverage. And that's where you enter more gray blending.
Okay.
When you enter that stage, your gray will start looking slightly lighter. But if you stick to that color for a year and a half, you're going to
Okay.
tell me that I feel like I have a warmer color with a lot of highlight. And that comes from the
okay.
gray blending, which we're going to start after on the 3rd time of coloring.
Okay.
Okay, it's not that complicated.
No.
I will make it easy for you. I will write everything down.
Oh, you
you're
will,
not,
thank God.
So you're not confused, okay?
I won't remember it all.
Don't worry. I need you to stand up for a minute. Did we color your eyebrows or not yet?
No,
We didn't?
no,
You don't want to?
not yet.
Not yet?
One thing at a time.
One thing at a time, okay.
I go back to London tomorrow and I'm not going to...
Okay, look down, please. Yeah, your skin's still a little bit red from all that
Yeah.
process of lightening, but it should calm down soon. But the color is beautiful.
I mean, it feels great.
Yeah, the texture is.
Texture
I mean,
feels
after
really
all
good.
this bleach, I'm really happy with the
I'm
texture as
surprised my
well.
hair's not fallen out. but-
Because sometimes with fragile hair like yours, we have to be super careful. And actually, that's the reason why people they travel to us. Especially, step back, please. You can see yourself in the mirror.
It was amazing.
Yeah,
I just have to get used to the color.
you will within 1 week.
Yeah.
Is what happened.
I have to change my wardrobe, I think,
So what
to
happened?
match different colors.
Yes, but what
yeah.
you will notice that within 1 week, you're gonna start looking at yourself in the older pictures and like, gosh, that
Yeah.
was very harsh on my
Yeah.
skin.
Yes.
And with the change of the wardrobe, definitely
think-
it will help. You need
Yeah.
more brighter,
Good excuse.
more brighter colors now.
Maybe tone down a bit, maybe
Yeah.
not blues.
Thank you, darling. You look
Thank
great.
you so
You're
much.
welcome. You look great.
Thank you.
Yeah.